Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood from WP-Tonic, and in this video I'm going to be talking about email marketing and email in general connected to running your membership website. It's an important subject. I'll be back in a few moments. I'm coming back. We're going to be talking about all things email. Now, what you've got to understand is there's different types of email connected to a membership website, and there's three main types. There's transactional, couldn't talk there, transactional email, marketing email, and inbox email. And you've got to understand the difference. So inbox is your traditional business email. Jonathan@wp-tonic.com or support@wp-tonic.com. That email goes to a specific mailbox, and you can utilize something like Google, or many hosting providers provide basic email, but less and less are providing it. Especially in the WordPress space. Most people utilize Google, or they utilize Microsoft 365 or one of those type of services, or you can buy your own email system quite cheaply actually, and we have some recommended partners. So that's that. Then you got transactional. Transactional is when somebody signs up for your membership website email, they should have an invoice or a receipt sent to them automatically. And you don't want that ending up in their junk folder normally. And then you have marketing email. This could be a newsletter. This can be marketing automation email when somebody in your shopping page, you're buying a course and you can do an upsell to them, or they put in a course into their shopping basket, but they bail out at the last minute. Those are marketing automation stroke marketing email. Now, one of the other big tips I want to give in this is that you really want to learn the kind of strategies and basic attitude towards email marketing that you can find in the startup community, especially the bootstrap startup community, around onboarding. You know, you want a professional series onboarding email that provide advice to new people that are signing up to your membership website. And this is important because you find that some of your biggest problems is retention and dropout. And by this retention dropout tends to happen a lot at the beginning of a course, where people sign up for something and then think, oh, I can't be bothered with all this. I can't be bothered using the platform. I can't be bothered to get into the course. And they cancel, and normally you've got either a 14-day, 30-day money-back guarantee, and you have to give them a refund. This isn't great. Also, something like Stripe, they actually charge you a surcharge for giving a refund. So this ain't great news. One of the ways you can counter-react this is having a series onboarding email. It's a great idea. Encouragement, you know, with linking your learning management system, and this is something you can do when you're utilizing one of the great learning management systems that WordPress offers. You can link it to marketing automation software like Fluent CRM, or if you've decided to utilize an external email service like ActiveCampaign, you can link it to your WordPress website by using something like WP Fusion. And on WP-Tonic, we supply all these great solutions to you as part of the hosting package. But with that, you can do some really sophisticated marketing automation. So you can see when they've done a course, as they're bailed out halfway through their first lesson, you can then send an email automatically to encourage them to finish off that lesson. So the main purpose is to really get them into their stride, get them taking the first steps of the course. That's another thing that will dramatically reduce your cancellation in your guaranteed refund period. This is important to do this. Are you encouraging through marketing automation to upsell? You know, most more experienced membership websites, you have your starter course, membership level, and then you have a medium one. And as they move, you give more personal access to you, which gives more value, but you can sell this through marketing automation. So the next course up would have access to a internal forum. And the next stage up, you would have access to this internal forum group, this small group that's part of the next level up. But the premier level up, you would have direct coaching from yourself or consultation. This is how this normally do. These offers can normally be made through marketing automation. And selling to somebody that's already purchased your course and has got over that initial hump is much more easier and much more cost effective than trying to sell to a new person. I've written a great article, which will be in the show notes supporting this video, got a lot more insight. Please go to the article. Please give me a thumbs up. It really encourages me, and subscribe to the channel. All these things really encourage me to make more of these videos, and please ring the bell so you get notified when I make my next video. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.